Hey Paul, can you tell me a bit about what's going on today?
Sure, Tamsin. Today we've got the Indigenous Science Experience at the Tolland Community Centre. Today is about celebrating Indigenous and Western science through the activities that we've got going on. We've got the wonderful high school students from NISEP presenting the science shows.
The NISEP program is National Indigenous Science Education Program. It's about training up students to do demonstrations for younger students. And so we're going to be looking at 5 different science demonstrations. In addition to that, you're going to be looking at...
Well, Dr. Love is here, and with her is Ruth, and they're going to be teaching you all about the bogwine moth. And then after they finished, you can nip next door and you can weave some bogwine moth, so that's going to be absolutely fabulous.